Sis, it may be time to ditch your foundation, and let me show you how I achieve this flawless base application using only concealers, no foundation. So after I make sure I moisturize and prep the skin nicely, I go in with this concealer that matches her skin to perfection, okay? And I apply it everywhere else except for her under eye. So the perimeters of her face, I bring some onto the nose, above the lip, leaving the under eye. Now for the under eye, because she has a bit of darkness there, I'm going to go in with this concealer that has a red undertone. Now this is just going to go in and cancel darkness, and this concealer I put it on the mouth as well, and I make sure to blend it from under the eyes, onto the nose, straight up onto the forehead, just to mesh that together nicely. Now it's time for my favorite part. This is the highlight. So I'm going to be using this highlighting concealer. It has a yellowy, neutrally undertone. I'm going to apply it under her eyes, down the bridge of her nose, onto her forehead, and on her chin, okay? Before you blend anything, you want to leave it there to make it dry down for about 30 seconds because, honey, it's going to make your concealer come out more flawless and give more of a full coverage effect, which we want in the center of the face. Then I'm going to go in with this wonderful bronzer, so creamy and nice, and I'm going to apply it onto her cheekbones, on the perimeters of her forehead as well. Now I'm going to be going in with this brush, and I'm going to pat against the contour until it's blurred out and it meshes against the skin nicely. Now it's time to blend our highlighting concealer, and I'm using this concealer blending brush, and I take my time and pat against the concealer till it's blended nicely. If there's too much product, get a piece of napkin, wipe away the excess product from your brush, and go ahead and blend it, okay? Now I'm going to go into brighten her under eye. This is going to make her makeup look extra bomb, okay? And to do this, I'm just going to add a dot of concealer under her eyes, and we're just going to blend the concealer just right there in the front region of her under eye. We don't want to spread it around too much. Okay, so before we set with any powder, we want to make sure that we're misting the face with a hydrating setting spray. This is going to make your powders melt in so much nicer. So even try this, let me know it helps. Bye.